Back from shopping. So, mag-grocery haul tayo, guys. Let's go. Okay. Siyempre, start with 4 babies food. Treats pala, treats. And I have my coconut juice, of course. Ayan, dito. Ayan yung ating mga basket. And, syempre, another, ano ba yun yung resibo? Coconut juice. Coconut juice. Uy, naku. And, oops, our milk. Siyempre, yung ating Listerine para laging fresh yung ating pinana. Cheese. Mayonnaise. Ay, naku, kay Raf to. Biscuit yata yan. Sensodyne para sa sensitive teeth. Sensitive yung teeth ko, guys, kasi nga nag-whitening ako. And for babies, wasabi, kasi meron akong salmon. And ham. I like this one, Olaita. Chocolate, hot chocolate. Yan. Mag-ano tayo? Hot chocolate with the tip. Ito, guys, yung ating salmon sashimi. Kaya nga tayo mawasabi. O, diba? Kay Ralph. Nag-gilat pa siya. And then, all that done. Ito naman. Yan, binili namin ito sa ano. Yan, cracklings. Sa the reject. Yan. For babies. Coffee. Wala yung coffee ko. Coffee niya raw. AN1. And KitKat. Kay Ralph. KitKat. Sa amin. Pang bata. Sa akin, candy. Candy. Ay, Jesus Christ. Hook. This, later. Hot chocolate. And then, syempre, bumili ako sa, Red Dot socks. Winter sock and my shampoo. Ito ulit yung shampoo ko. And, ampalaya seeds. And my headband. Kasi kailangan ko laging my headband, guys. At bumili ako nitong, ayun, may candy. Itong ito, guys, gusto ko ito. Diba? Paglagyan ng mga vegetable, ganyan. And then, another bag. Ayan, broccoli. I didn't buy more vegetables. Tomorrow na now we go to Lakeland and our mandarin, salad, lettuce. May cucumber. Yan, kakain ako ng cucumber, guys. Peanuts. And biscuit. And Ralph ham. And our pork chives dumplings. And my plastic bag for storage bag. Kasi may suction na ako yan. Suction na. Naguli ko tayo ng pasta. Sopas. That's all, guys. And of course, my baby pads. Yan. That's all, guys. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all. Bye.